Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to clear and manage your Google Play activities step by step. So first of all, you need to open the Google Play application. Then tap on the profile icon in the top right corner. Then scroll down a little bit and tap on personalization in Play. And in here you can scroll a little bit and tap on Play history. So in here you can see all the activity you do on Google Play, which is what you do today, like when you visit the Google Play, when you open this application, and when you download application, install the application, all the activity you can see here. So to delete this activity, you can type on delete here. Right here you can type delete, and here you have option to delete today activity, or you can custom range delete. I mean, you can delete activity from last month or 2 months ago. You can custom here, and then the last one you can delete all the time. I mean, all the Google Play activity you can delete. So in here I will choose delete all time. And now in here we have 3 products selected. It's Google Play Books, Google Play Games, and Google Play Store. So you can delete all this Google product activity. So if you want to delete, you can tap next to continue and tap delete. And now all the history is already deleted. And now how to control, I mean how to turn off the Google Play history. So you can turn off all your activity not saved in Google Play Store. You can tap on the top from history to control. Now in the control, and you can tap on here and you can choose to turn off the Play history. And now your Google Play history is already turned off, so you can turn on this history anytime by tap on here, and you can scroll down and turn on. So it's very easy. I hope this video is useful, and see you in another video.